Hey everyone, welcome back to Global MegaBuilds. We're here once again at Camp Nou with a fresh construction update. The stadium is alive with activity, and there's a lot to see from the stands to the VIP areas. Every corner has some new progress, and we'll take you through all the latest changes happening on site. So let's dive in. Fans are in for an exciting weekend as Barcelona prepares to face Alavés at our home stadium this Saturday. The team is ready, fans are gearing up, and all the merchandise and refreshments are prepared to make match day special. Moving over to the VIP areas, progress is impressive. The lounges are taking shape, with bars, seating areas, and ceilings starting to reflect the final look. Some areas are still under construction, but the overall elegance and functionality are clear. Once fully completed, these sections will not only offer luxury experiences, but also contribute to the club's revenue. Workers are carefully placing all structures, making sure everything is perfect for future match days. Moving up to the third tier, work here has been progressing steadily. Most of the seating rows are now fully installed, and the concrete steps have been leveled and finished. The roof structure above this section is also taking shape, with steel beams now securely in place. You can see crews making the final touches on the upper railings and walkways, preparing this area to safely welcome fans once completed. Walking through the tribune corridors, you can already see all the merchandise neatly organized for match day. The passageways are clear, and the preparations for fans are coming along nicely. From here, we can get a glimpse of the pitch and the training areas, including those practice mannequins used for free kicks. In the Golden Zone, the structure designated for the future Barca store is almost ready for the installation of the glass façade. Once the enclosure is completed, interior work such as lighting, finishes, and commercial design will begin. This area is quickly taking shape, promising a modern and vibrant space. Visitors can soon expect an exciting new addition to the stadium experience. At the north goal, the focus is on assembling the platforms, elevator cores, and staircases. Platforms are parked strategically, allowing space for ongoing construction. Crews are actively installing structures for the third tier while keeping the worksite organized and safe. The parking zones are progressing as planned. Ramps have been concreted, and new layers of gravel and reinforcement are being laid. Concrete pumps are in action, and preparations are being made to handle vehicle and pedestrian traffic efficiently. The area is becoming cleaner and more structured as the work continues. On the lateral side of the stadium, all the wall panels and surfaces that were under construction are now fully completed. The ceramic tiles have been installed, giving the area a polished and clean look. Some areas still require alignment and additional reinforcement, but the pace is steady. Platforms and scaffolding allow safe access to higher points, and the team is moving quickly to keep the schedule on track. As we wrap up today's tour, it's clear that the stadium is evolving fast. Every area is showing noticeable progress, with work moving along smoothly and attention to detail impressive. It's exciting to see how all these pieces are coming together to shape the future of the venue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.